Simple diffusion is a form of diffusion that does not require the assistance of membrane proteins. In essence, the particles or substances from higher concentration to lower concentration. However, its movement does not need a membrane protein that will help substances to move downhill. There is a process that was from high concentration to low concentration, which is not balanced. So to make it balanced, the particles should move slowly to the other side so that it will become equal, which we can call same concentration or equilibrium.
Simple diffusion, like all other passive transport processes, involves the passage of molecules along a concentration gradient until the concentration of the solute in both sides is uniform. When particles is a solution or gas have a high concentration in one location and a low concentration in another, the particles diffuse or travel from high to low concentration area.
The kinetic energy of a molecule results in random motion causing diffusion. In simple diffusion, this process proceeds without any help of transport protein. It is a random motion of a molecule that causes them to move from an area of high concentration to low concentration.
Another type of passive transport is facilitated diffusion, which is the transport of substances across a biological membrane through a concentration gradient by means of a carrier molecule. The main difference between these two types of passive transport is that simple diffusion is unassisted, while facilitated diffusion transports substances with the help of transport proteins.
Why is simple diffusion important? As you all know, cells exchange gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, excrete waste products, and take in food, water, and minerals to meet their basic needs. The exchange takes place between the inner cell and the extracellular fluid that surrounds it. And with that being said, it is essential because it enables them to receive the necessary substances for energy and growth as well as dispose of waste products.
Simple diffusion is essential to cells because it helps them to absorb the useful elements that they need to obtain energy, as well to get rid of waste materials. The flow of molecules across a cell membrane without the use of channels established by integral membrane protein is known as simple diffusion.
Simple diffusion means that the molecules can pass directly through the membrane. Diffusion is always form a concentration gradient. This limits the maximum possible concentration of the molecules inside the cell or outside the cell if it is a waste product.
To conclude, simple diffusion refers to a passage of a substance through a membrane without the use of an intermediary such as an integral membrane protein. Diffusion is a force that propels a material through a membrane. Now, the main function of the simple diffusion is that it assists in the transport into and out of cells. We are the group 3 and this is simple diffusion.